making scones.
Making scones.
Yeah.
And what goes into the scones?
So roughly, I don't know, this much self-raising flour.
And
A good dash of salt, big pinch of salt. And then come back to me. I've sifted the flour 3 times in my trusty sieve. Now I've added about a cup of, it's vanilla yogurt. You can use cream, yogurt, Greek yogurt, whatever you like. And the trusty lemonade, icy cold lemonade, about not quite a full can. My husband gets to drink that, and then mix with a knife. When I've got it to that consistency, giving it a mix, put a little bit of oil on my hands, and then just sort of push it all together and shape it on a piece of brown paper, like so, into a square or a rectangle, whatever you like to call it. And then I cut it into pieces, and I'll show you in a minute. Then I've got them sort of in bits and pieces, and I plonk them in this tray because it's camping, it's rough and ready, like so. Like so, and I'll arrange them in their tray. However they go, it's camping, guys, it's not fancy. Like so. And then I'll put a bit of yogurt on top, or milk, and I'll chuck them in the barbecue. And then there's perfection, and you just have to go by feel. Listen. Hollow, cooked. Look at that. Just look at this. Hang on. Slide it onto the oven bit to cool. And hang on. Put that bit out. And the look test. Look at that. The final product.